Understanding the idiom, see stars. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, see stars. You might have heard it in movies or read it in books, and we're here to unpack what it means. So, stay tuned to discover its origins, uses, and how you can incorporate it into your daily English conversations. When someone says they see stars, they're not talking about looking up at the night sky. This phrase actually means to experience a sensation of flashes or specks of light, usually because of a sudden impact to the head. It's like a mini light show that only you can see, often due to a bump, knock, or fall. The expression, see stars, has a literal origin. In the past, people believed that a sharp hit to the head could cause one to visualize stars or sparks of light. It's a figurative way of describing the disorienting effects of a sudden shock or impact. How do we use see stars in everyday language? It's quite common in descriptive narratives. For example, if someone bumps their head on an open cabinet, they might say, "Ouch, that hurt. I'm seeing stars." It's a vivid way to express that dizzy, stunned feeling one might experience. Beyond its literal sense, see stars can also be used metaphorically. If someone is extremely impressed or dazzled by something, they might use this phrase to express their amazement. However, this usage is less common and is usually clear from the context that it's not about a physical impact. That's all on the phrase, see stars. Now, you know it's more than just a celestial sighting. It's a colorful way to describe a sensation that's quite literally head-spinning. We hope you found this explanation enlightening. Until our next video, keep practicing and have fun with the English language.